A storm is brewing in India's booming online gaming sector. And this time, no amount of grinding, farming, ganking, smurfing, or cheat codes may be enough to save the industry.
Question is that the leave may be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor may say yes. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. Ayes have it. The permission is granted and the minister may now introduce the bill.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I rise to introduce the promotion and regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025 to be taken into consideration.
A day after refusing to comment, IT and Electronics Minister Ashwini Vaishnav introduced the online gaming bill in the Lok Sabha. It is a legislation industry voices are calling nothing short of a death knell. The 13-page bill defines an online money game as one played by depositing money with the expectation of monetary or other gains. If passed, the law will effectively outlaw money-based online gaming in India, from rummy apps and poker platforms to fantasy sports and real money skill games. The Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025 states, no person shall offer, aid, abet, induce or engage in online money games. Licenses will be mandatory with strict penalties for violators. The All India Gaming Federation (AIGF) has written to Home Minister Amit Shah seeking urgent intervention, warning that a blanket ban could devastate the sector. Instead, it has called for progressive regulation. Industry representatives warn the bill could push legitimate gamers into illegal gambling apps and wipe out lakhs of jobs. India's gaming industry is no small player. According to the AIGF, it is valued at 2 lakh crore rupees and employs over 2 lakh people across 400 companies. A ban, it warns, could erase 20,000 crore rupees in annual GST revenues, jeopardize $2.5 billion in foreign investment, and sink 3,000 crore rupees in advertising and tech spends. Endorsements by top cricketers and aggressive marketing have created stratospheric valuations for India's biggest gaming firms. Dream 11 is reportedly valued at $8 billion and Mobile Premier League at $2.5 billion. But supporters of the bill insist real money games exploit vulnerable players, drain family savings, and often serve as a front for betting and gambling. There have been cases of suicides and family disputes linked to gaming losses. The government cites a surge in frauds, teenage addiction, and unregulated cash flows, raising alarms over money laundering and financial security. The bill also warns these games use manipulative design features, addictive algorithms, and promote compulsive behavior leading to financial ruin. For years, India's gaming industry thrived in a grey zone, exploiting the legal distinction between skill and chance. Many apps claim to be skill-based to avoid gambling restrictions, even as the centre and states tried to clamp down. This new bill seeks to end that ambiguity once and for all. As the bill is tabled for the government, it is about consumer protection and national interest. For the industry, it is about survival, jobs, and innovation. What's clear is this: a multi-billion-dollar industry now hangs in the balance, its fate resting on the roll of the legislative dice. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.